Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome to today's part of the series, How to Maximize Using the Jolly Phonics application. Today we'll be looking at Group 1 sounds S, A, and T. Let's click on the sound, and this will take you straight to the first part, which is a story that you get to read with your child. Next we'll find the action, and at the bottom of that you'll find an explanation of how to perform the action. Next we find a flashcard, which once you press makes the S sound. Letter formation. You allow your child to finger trace this by pulling it around and stop. Sounding out. This is the phonemic awareness component of the app. Which of these words does not contain a sound? Sun, snail, spider, and drum?
Drum.
Yay, that's correct. Then we move on to writing. So you get to call this out and your child gets to write this down. Jolly Phonics is a multi-sensory approach to teaching phonics and has a song element as well.
The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
This allows your child to connect with the sound through rhythm. Let's head back to A. There is some revision that they'll be doing. Another story. So this is the introduction to the story for A. And action, again with an explanation of how to perform the action. Flashcard.
A.
And formation. The phonemic awareness component. Which of these words does not contain the sound A? Spider, arrow, and apple. And then I get to select the spider. Let's go on to writing. This is also some sort of consolidation and revision. They get to write both sounds out. And just a tip, while they are writing this, they are either saying it softly or saying it aloud. Practice makes permanent. Heading back to get to the T sound. For the T sound, we will be swapping back to the precursive font. Now the T has feet, or that's what we call it. It has little curve at the end, which we will find in our South African context. Revision, story, action, flashcard, formation. Then one of the very important parts for reading, which is blending.
S, A, T, sat.
Allow your child to repeat and practice along as many times as they want. Sounding out. Writing. And the song. One important thing to note when starting this lesson will be the format basically of every other sound that follows. So it will start with revision, story, action, flashcard, formation, blending. Just more blending words will be added once they learn more sounds, sounding, writing, and the song. And that's a wrap for this part of the series. Don't forget to like, follow, and share with your teacher friends and parents. #being a part of the change.